DoorDash is an online food delivery service that operates in various locations throughout the United States and Canada. As one of the largest services of its kind, DoorDash users can browse different restaurants and menus to find their favorite foods. DoorDash account balance is a virtual account associated with your personal DoorDash profile and in-app payment methods. You can check your DoorDash account balance at any time to see how much available balance you have. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Your Digital Guide. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we will see how to view DoorDash credit balance. First, sign into the DoorDash app or on the below mentioned web address. For mobile users, tap on the icon in the top left hand corner, then tap on payment methods for Android and payment for iOS. Then confirmation, you will be able to see the total amount of DoorDash credits left. Previously received DoorDash credits and gift card credits are combined and will automatically apply to your next order. For example, if you currently have $10 in DoorDash credits and redeem a $25 gift card, your DoorDash credit balance will now be $35. And for website users, click on the menu icon, three stacked lines, then click on payments. Then you will be able to see the total amount of DoorDash credits left. Previously received DoorDash credits and gift card credits are combined and will automatically apply to your next order. For example, if you have current $10 in DoorDash credits and redeem a $25 gift card, then your DoorDash credit balance will now be $35. That's how you can easily view DoorDash credit balance. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. You can drop your queries in the comment section below. And for more such informative videos, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from your digital guide. Thank you so much for watching. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section below what you want to see in the next video. Until next time, bye, take care and have a nice day.